Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today, viewers, we are going to talk about development of gender type behavior. That is the component of sex differences and gender role for the psychosocial development of child. First of all, we'll talk about understanding emotions. जज्बात को समझना by the expression of the other. It is understood that girls are more competent and more efficient in figuring out the emotions of the others, other male or female, whatever it is. और उनके facial expression से उसका अंदाज़ा लगाना, उसको जज करना. Female are more comfortable and they are more sharp in it. And माँ बाप जब फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन दे रहे होते हैं या उनके बहन भाई जब फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन दे रहे होते हैं, they are self reflecting about their own expressions accordingly, and they are more efficient in identifying those expressions. And we'll see these spatial skills. These are the skills to feel the distances, comparison of distances, or time space, or इसी तरह जो दरमियान में गैप्स हैं उनका अंदाज़ा लगाना. तो वॉइस के बारे में it is more discriminated that they are more better in mathematics, like scholastic achievement test set जिस तरह से that is appearing here, उसमें उनकी performance is seem to be very better, or they are having this advantage that they have good spatial ability. और इसी तरह दो चीज़ों के दरमियान जो relationship है, to identify, it is more better identified by the boys. Sometimes identical things, identical toys, or their spaces, to place that toy in a space, in a spacious place, or adjusted in the way or situation, or otherwise like driving is also based on the spatial skills to identify the distance with the speed, with the light, with the all other comparisons, अपने आप का अंदाज़ा लगाना, अपने vehicle का अंदाज़ा लगाना, और ये सारी चीज़ें, those are included in the spatial skills, and that is more eminently present in boys as compared to most of the studies are there which we can refer to define these. इस तरह toys preferences है बच्चों में. boys जो है ना, they prefer trucks, bus, tractor, और इस तरह की जो चीज़ें हैं, those are mechanically identified and mechanically designed. और उसका ताल्लुक जो है ना वो एग्रीकल्चर से है, उसका ताल्लुक जो है ना वो फील्ड से है, और स्पेस से है, जैसे एरोप्लेन्स हैं और इस तरह की चीज़ें हैं, टॉयज हैं. These are mostly identified and liked by the boys. इसी तरह बच्चियाँ जो है ना फीमेल, they like tea sets, household things, और इसमें जिन्हें सोसाइटी जिस तरह से प्रेफर करती है, या other females are preferring in the society, they are preferring those. At the fourth stage, physical activity hai, they are performing. Boys are running, fastly running and running in the grounds, and they prefer, and they are also preferring this, that they to play in the open place, they run it out. बैट बॉल खेलना उनको ज़्यादा पसंद होगा, और इसी तरह की टॉयज़ को वो पसंद भी करते हैं. और इसी तरह jumping and activity which is physically hard, and they are acting very comfortably. इसी तरह बेबी गर्ल्स जो है ना दे स्किम मोर ऑन चेंजिंग टेबल, get restless in these stroller and crawl at the multi places and carry on crawling, and they are playing differently. And if you observe the both plays of the different genders, you will observe very comfortably कि ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है ना वो बच्चियाँ बच्चे डिफरेंटली कर रहे होते हैं, और उनके परफॉर्म करने से उनकी अपनी लर्निंग भी हो रही होती है, उनके अपने एक्शंस भी डेवलप हो रहे होते हैं, और वो बाकियों के लिए सोर्स ऑफ एक्शन साबित हो रहे होते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.